Competition or collaboration? What is better? People view freelancing like, when you go, like if you're on Upwork, for example, the lowest bidder wins. A lot of people go there. There's one client who has one work requirement, and all these people go there and say, I can do it for you for 100 rupees. I can do it for 50 rupees. I can do this and put in a free gift for 20 rupees. And end of the day, the lowest bidder wins. Whereas when you come on LinkedIn, it's all an experience game. I have 10 years of experience. I have 5 years of experience. I will work for you for free. So when you're working in this kind of environment, you automatically get this mindset that, I should charge better than others. I need to put myself out there better than others. I should be the no-brainer option over here. But honestly, I came across this very powerful quote which inspired one of the chapters in my book. The people at the bottom are competing. The people on top are collaborating. You look at freelancing as a buffet spread in front of you. It's not like you have only one single dish that you have to quickly go and grab before others come and take it. You can view it as a buffet where there is enough for everyone. You refer other people, they'll refer you. You are speaking to a client, you don't have the time to take it up, you refer it to someone else. On LinkedIn or any other professional platform, not only are you looking for clients, you're also looking for peers in your group that you can mentor, that you can gain mentorship from. You can share clients with them. Referrals are one of the biggest forms of client acquisition for me. So that is one extra input I'll give you all, that as a freelancer, don't go for competition, go for synergy. That will take you much farther in life.